Unplug the power cord of the ice maker. Remove the 4 corner screws and take down the machine door panel. Remove the screws and take down the PC board outer box cover. Remove the screws and then take down the ice skateboard. Just unscrew the screws inside. Replace this small display board if there is. Unplug the cable. Plug in the new cable first. Then get the new display board fixed. Tighten the screws. For the new PC board, remove the small black plug then first. Plug this cable in. Fix the PC board screws. Plug each wire in turn. Each wire should be inserted tightly without deviation. A final check and put back the outer box cover. Put back the ice skateboard. Connect the power to start and test the machine.